Here's one we don't see come through at Unique, especially in classics very often. Check this out. It's a 1962 Mercury Monterey S55 two-door hardtop. Some real cool body styling features and kind of design things on this car we're going to touch on as we walk around it. Underneath the hood, big boy, 390, V8 power, 4-barrel, automatic transmission, 3-speed automatic to be exact. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a close look at the chrome on the front bumper. Of course, the grille. Technician did note the AC compressor will kick on and off when they bypass it or jump it. Will need some attention to blow cold, still R12. It's not blowing cold. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the engine bay, the underside, interior, trunk, and all the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Rev 5-spoke, chrome wheels. You can see paint shows well on this one. Nice shine to it. You may find an imperfection here or there, but overall, good look. One of those cars, get in, turn the key, and go. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. And I bet you a lot of the time, you're going to be the only one there with a Monterey S55 as designated on that fender emblem. Take a look down this passenger side and see that bright work of the trim. Not full of dings. And as far as the paint, not full of scuffs, scratches, or dings either. Sultana white, paint coat of M, red interior, bucket seats up front, center console. There's the under dash AC unit, very stock looking interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood, and at the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive. Here's one of the cooler things I think about the features as far as the design on this car. Those taillights. Don't see a lot of cars into the early 60s with the taillight up like that. Chrome in the rear bumper. Nice shape, dual exhaust. A lot of bright work on this car still for a 62. Does come with a dash pad or a dash mat. You'll see in the still pictures, and I'll put it back on there. I just took it off so you can see condition of the dash and the pictures in the video. And speaking of those pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. All right, service work recently done to this car. Valve seals, water pump, exhaust manifold gasket, all recently done. Does have a new carb on it. Power steering pump was rebuilt, valve cover gaskets redone, new master cylinder, and the technician noted the brakes are 85% in the front, 85% in the rear. And as we take a look down this driver's side, you can also see very nice shape. Again, free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Right work looks good down the midsection of the car. If you like Mercury's, or maybe just cars you don't see every day, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. Another cool feature, doesn't quite do it justice in the video, but these kind of marker lights, safety lights, I guess however you want to look at it when you open the door, that it shines. This outer one is red, inner one is clear. Someone's coming at you from behind, you go to open the door, parking. Cool. Little things like that. Cool design stuff. Seats, nice condition. No rips, tears, holes, really anywhere at all. As far as the headliner, also nice shape. As you can see, visor's intact. And top of the dash, good shape also. And again, it will come with that dash protector, dash pad, dash mat, whatever you'd like to call it. It's fired up. Fuel gauge appears to be working. Came up to a little over half. Temp gauge is not going to be anywhere. That was cold start. Notice the clock is not working. Heater does blow hot. Listen to that 390. Door closes nicely. Oh, we got a little rumble. Sounds pretty good. Alright, let me slip up to the front. This is probably going to take two hands. Let me pause it a second. We'll get this hood open, check out the engine bay, and then stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. There's a good look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. We do have a battery disconnect over here for when it's in storage or in between drives. There you can see new brake booster, master cylinder, some chrome dress up underneath the hood, 4-barrel carb, power steering, power brakes, AC, 390, sounding good and looking good. It'll turn some heads, and you won't see it every day going down the road alongside you. No doubt about that. It's a 1962 Mercury Monterey S55 2-door hardtop. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1962 Mercury Monterey. A little seen, seldom seen car. Very nice car. Red interior with chrome accents, making it look really good. White exterior. This is an automatic on the center console, which makes it super easy to drive. Our turn signal indicators are working. The power steering is excellent. Speedometer also working. You do have the typical amount of wind noise around those wing windows up front on the doors. Nice ride to this car. Very good acceleration. We'll hit that again after the traffic circle. Down here, polar air. Appears to be an add-on system. Now that does move air. It's a little cool outside for me to test the air conditioning, but it blows air, and this will blow the factory heater motor. The wipers work as well on this car. The clock equipped right here. The coolant temperature gauge is 1/4 of the way up, still warming. Fuel gauge showing 3/4 of a tank. Very comfortable factory looking bucket seats in this car. The interior is really great looking. Striking red and in good condition. White headliner. Brakes feel good, nice and smooth. A little rattle from the driver's door. As if it weren't shut all the way, but it is shut all the way. Corners the way you'd expect a 62 to corner. Good throttle response, and the kickdown working on the automatic transmission. Find all the pictures of this beautiful Mercury at uniqueclassiccars.com.